Day 127. Look at that, man. The grass fully grown, man. Chickens out and about. You know what I'm saying? Everybody looking clean, dried out from the storm. Last week we had a storm, so a lot of rain. What's up, guys? How you guys doing, man? You guys are chilling? What's going on? Good. I don't got no food, man. Everybody's all together, you know what I'm saying? What we got? We got some eggs. Yeah, we got some eggs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 eggs. So, you know, eggs look like they're still regular size, not too big, but just getting there.